Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization by ask. Next, this is about identity. So you got about ask minus 1, ask plus 1. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So I need to put about capital A over S, capital B over S minus 1, and capital C over S plus 1. Now we do common denominator. So about this one is missing about s minus 1, s plus 1. So this one should multiply by s minus 1, s plus 1. About this one is missing about s and s plus 1. Now we can do similar for capital C. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s square, we have a, b, c. About s, we have b multiplied by s, c multiplied by negative s. So we have b minus c. About this one, that's about the number. So we have 8 multiplied by negative number 1. Next, we need to compare coefficients. About s square, we have s square in here. So we have a plus b plus c equals to number 4. About s, we have negative number 1. So b minus c equals to negative number 1. And the last one, this one, equals to positive number 1. So we create a system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of A, B, C. So A equals to negative number 1, B equals to number 2, C equals to number 3. So we put the value A, B, C go in here. This one is about negative number 1. This one that is about number 2. And this one that is about number 3. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.